this demo, we're going to show how to integrate RunSafe Security's code protections into an existing build. We're doing this in a Docker image, Rocky Linux 8 actually, but this applies outside of Docker, really in any Linux-based build environment, Alpine, Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS, etc. So for this demo, we've got a simple program that we've written in C, and we're building it with Make. And what we want to do is build that software with our protections. So the first thing we're going to do is add our repository that has all of our packages in it to the system. And we'll paste that in, and then we will install the Alchemist LFR package. And that's an older package name, but it is our solution today. This is a minimal Docker environment, so we get a couple other build time dependencies like Perl that we need, but we're going to do this integration without having any extra dependencies on the system other than our runtime randomization library. So now that we've installed that, a step that would be taken is to set your license key for the RunSafe solution. If you go to the dashboard, you can see the license key for that. I'm not going to show you my license key because then it'll be used everywhere. But then normally we would do a build with make, and that's going to produce a hello world program, and it says hello world. We're going to delete that program, and instead of doing make, we're going to run LFR helper make. And that does all of our magic that builds the system or builds our protections in. The hello world program still works, but the only thing that's different is we have a dependency on our randomization library. Now, you'll note this is using the make program to build, but we have customers doing this integration with build scripts they wrote literally 40 years ago, with CMake, with Ninja, with Bazel. You can do it with really any kind of build environment. And if you're in an environment for embedded software like Yocto or Buildroot or OpenWRT or even Android, we have custom integrations for that as well that make the integration basically as simple as this here. So for example, in Yocto, you add in a layer to your recipe and off you go. So really straightforward, really easy. And if you go to app.runsafesecurity.com, you can log in and get your license key there. And these instructions are there as well, kind of step by step. And then you can use that to do your integrations. Thank you.